you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow the guide below to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches causing the loading screen to freeze. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both your game and system are updated to the latest version. Check for any available patches or updates for Cyberpunk 2077, as developers often release fixes for known issues. Step 3. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC players, you can try verifying the game files through your game launcher to fix any corrupted files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering your graphics settings can sometimes help with loading issues. Access the game settings and reduce the graphics quality, then try loading the game again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the loading screen to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Cyberpunk 2077. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.